Yeah, but I'm wondering why they're sending in green and not blue. Thank you for the gifts. Thank you, my love. I will, my love. The girls and me are all off for Thanksgiving break. Hopefully you guys can come by. Are your kids off on Monday too? Virgo! How are you? You made it to one of my lives. Yes, girl. So glad you're here. How's your Friday? Hi, Clean Winnie. Yes. Zena, yes. 100%. Yes. I'm so good, girl. I was so down yesterday, but today I'm feeling so much better. Hi, Chloe. I know. Thank you so much for your beautiful comment. I was bad yesterday, girl. But today, it's a new day. I feel so good. Yep, one day at a time. Thank you, Kelly. This was less oil with lemon panelin. Thank you, Thea. Yeah, you had to meet me and Zena for our Olive Garden date. The kids are off school this week. I'm off work this week. Oh, good, Chloe. Have fun, girl. I'm so happy you're here, Kelly. Hope you have a good weekend, girl. Virgo, when are you gonna go live again? I can't wait to be in there. Hi, ASMR Mix Magic. Ooh, Monday, yes. Yep, that's all the cans. Okay, hold on. You made it safe, Yessie? I'm so glad you got there safe. Girl, Bola has been so good. Just so everybody knows, I never go live with my babies, but my 2-year-old, they had an outbreak of hand, foot, mouth at her daycare. So she couldn't go today. She's home with me. I still wanted to go live. And unfortunately, you might hear my little Bola in the background. But she's been a good girl all morning. Really, BBM? Yeah, it's an outbreak over here. Don't be lying on Bola. Yeah, girl. The schools had outbreaks twice in 1 month. Okay, let me answer this call. Hold on, you guys. It's the same number 3 times in a row. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, yeah, that's my phone. Hold on, everybody.